Who are you going to trust to treat your water? Hopefully you don't need a doctor every day, but when you do need one, what kind of doctor do you want? Do you want a doctor who has a slick marketing department that appeals to your emotions with really cool ads, or do you want a doctor who is highly skilled, extremely experienced, and who has a top-notch team of professionals surrounding him? When I'm looking for a doctor, I seek out the following. I want a doctor who is highly respected by his peers or her peers. I want a doctor who has a high level of experience. I want a doctor who keeps up with continuing education and is board certified. I want a doctor who has a team of highly qualified and experienced professionals around him or her. And I want a doctor who really cares about me. If you're considering someone to treat your water, I'm going to suggest that maybe you should be looking for the same thing. The About Us page on every water treatment website should be the first thing you read when you're considering a doctor, or a water doctor for that matter. The thing is, most About Us pages are full of boilerplate and hyperbole. You know nothing about the company, except maybe they say something like this: our mission is to provide every family with blah, blah, blah. Or maybe, we are dedicated to providing safe, drinkable water to blah, blah, blah. That's because they're owned by huge corporate entities or venture capital investors who are trying to grow the company and sell it for a profit to some large corporations. However, if you go to the About Us page at US Water Systems, you're going to find that we're not a faceless and nameless company. You will find that we are a family-owned business full of master water specialists, certified water specialists, and certified installers with 20, 30, 40, even 50 years of experience in treating your water. We are not some slick marketing company, but rather we are water specialists, and many of our competitors recommend us for difficult water problems that they can't solve. We do everything with water except walk on it. We manufacture our products with American craftsmen right here in central Indiana and sell them all over the world. Our core approach is really simple. To us, there is nothing more rewarding than solving people's water problems. We're not faceless and nameless. We're a family-owned company who have grown our business from our garage to a 100,000 square foot state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, and we treat you like family. Our service after the sale is legendary because we're not some slick marketing company. We're a true water treatment company with support like you've never seen. We're also not just a company with one product. For instance, some companies just have one water softener. They think one size fits all. We think that's really silly, and at US Water Systems we offer many choices of water softeners, filters, and reverse osmosis systems because we're not marketing people. We understand that water treatment is important and realize that one size does not fit all. People have different needs, water quality varies, and so does space and personal habits. They call me the water doctor for two reasons. Number one, I have over 50 years of experience and am a master water specialist. Number two, well, that's easy to see. I'm old, but I'm experienced. Remember, US Water Systems manufactures systems which are multifunctional, repairable, and timeless because the longer they stay in play, the better it is for the earth. You can order your steak any way you want it, rare, medium, or well done, but at US Water Systems, you can only order your water well done. Cheers.